the last episode we have discussed the limits of the functions. So, now we shall discuss the differentiation. So, what do you mean by differentiation? The first of all, the differentiation is a process. So, the differentiation is a process to find out derivative of the various functions. So, now how to find out the derivatives of the various functions? Let us have a discussion now. So, let us consider a function, let f of x be a continuous function on R or any interval R. Suppose say y is equal to f of x. So, now if it is y is equal to f of x, then this function actually depends on the values of x. So, as x changes, y also changes. So, let us suppose let delta x be the small increment. Increment means change, whether it may be increase or decrease. So, let delta x be the small increment in x, then corresponding increment in y be say delta y. Generally, we have one misconception that delta x means that delta x is equal to delta into x. It is absolutely wrong. Even similarly, delta y is equal to delta into y. It is also wrong. Delta x itself is the one value, delta y is the one value. So, now as x changes, y also changes. Let delta x be the small increment in x, then corresponding increment in y be delta y. Now, y changes like this, y plus delta y, it becomes, this becomes f of x plus delta x. Take that y that side, delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus y. Now, y is replaced by f of x. This is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Divide both sides by delta x. Now, we can find out delta y by delta x equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Now, apply limit delta x tends to 0. So, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x equal to limit delta x tends to 0, f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. Now, as limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x can be written as dy by dx. Now, dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x by delta x. This dy by dx is called derivative of y with respect to x or differentiation of y with respect to x. The process of finding is known as differentiation. This is called differential coefficient of y or derivative of y. So, this dy by dx means d by dx of y, derivative of y with respect to x. This is derivative of y with respect to x or differential coefficient of y with respect to x. Here one thing you remember, dy by dx is not at all equal to dy by divided by dx. This is operator. This dy by dx is called differential operator. Differential operator. Differential operator.